Here she is, Sunny. You've been asking how the camper's coming. Well, she's all done. Her name is Sunny. She is a 1975 Eco 13-foot fiberglass camper. There you go. I took the body right off the frame. I did some welding and some reinforcing on the frame, had it powder coated, updated with a 2-inch hitch, redid the electrical, all new LED lights, but I kept them very retro looking. Completely repainted the body, did a bunch of body work, took care of all the cracks. We took the windows all apart, polished them, put all new seals in there. The back has brand new seals as well, all polished. Updated the water intake, so there you have the water intake, you've got water outtake. We use outside canisters, there's no onboard water, so there's a power supply, 12 volt there for the pump. New nice chrome grille, kept everything nice and retro looking. New windows, new window seals in the back. We'll see if you guys can figure out what those lights are out of, because they're not out of a camper. I wanted a little bit of chrome, a little bit of bling on the outside there. If you look, she's nice and clean, watertight. There is no rivets on the outside. You notice, did away with the water tank on this side. Nice and clean. We've got some outside electrical there now. So Sunny is a 1975 Eco Royal Featherlight. So once she got put back together, it's got a brand new floor. I replaced the entire floor, fiberglassed it in place. It's been fiberglass sealed top and bottom, so it should never rot again. Cabinets were completely handmade, replaced, and fiberglassed in place to help reinforce the structure. My wife redid all the cushions and curtains and everything, and the cushions were redone with marine grade vinyl and marine grade material, so they will hold up real well. We have nice Easy Glide drawers. All Formica. I kept a very retro design to the cabinets, so they're very much like you would have possibly seen in the 70s, the way I built them. So it has a brand new retro refrigerator, brand new sink and faucet with a pull-out, some cute cushions my wife made. The cabinet doors on the top all open up. So some of them stay better than others, but here, this one stays open, I think. So all nice and fresh and clean and new Formica. Now we use this as a bed most of the time. It's folded down, so I wanted access to these drawers. Most people have their water tank in here and not a whole lot of storage. Well, we use outboard water and gray water. That all hooks up on the outside, just 2 small tanks. So I wanted to use this so we could access it. So these drawers actually swing out. And when the table is in bed mode, that leg's not in the way, and it actually folds all the way out so we have full access to them, even when it's a bed. Some compartments over here and here we can put our shoes in. So we basically have hers and his clothing. And I used the cabinets all the way to the top. There's no wasted space. We got storage in here. Those bins pull right out, or you can take them right out to clean them. Under the sink, nice and clean and neat, a paper towel holder and a little water heater so we can actually wash with hot water. And this is not an ice box, it's actually a refrigerator. We can actually make ice. Pretty good for a 13-foot small camper. Now we don't often cook inside, but so I didn't put in the built-in gas stove. This camper has no propane. So I have a dedicated 20 amp circuit plug on this side, and then if we have to cook inside, we have a hot plate we use in here, convection one, so it doesn't stay hot. And I made the couch so it can fold up into a table, so when it is in bed mode we can get up and sit and have our coffee without making the bed if we don't want to. So updated electrical. Here's our electrical hidden around on the side here for the 12-volt system to turn lights on and the pump on, and a little meter there that tell you how your battery's doing. So I bought the retro lights. They are LED, and then I put some strip lighting up here as well, which is LED, so we can pretty much get a suntan in here. It's so bright. So the 20 amp dedicated circuit on the side there can also be used for a heater. But the plan is to eventually add a small air conditioner and heat pump to the front where the propane tanks would normally go. So there you go. Her name is Sunny. And she is a 1975 13-foot eco camper.